ladies and gentlemen. We're going to cook our sausage for our red beans and rice today. Obviously, just to brown them on both sides and let them cook in the rice and the red beans. So we preheated our large cast iron ceramic coated Dutch oven with some extra virgin olive oil. We put the sausage in and we can hear it sizzling. We know it's ready to go. Let me show you how good this sausage looks. Look at this, watch this. Look how good this sausage looks. Wow. This sausage is awesome. Can't wait to eat my red beans. So now we're going to put our ham in. Put some celery in, not celery, correction, some onion. That's some white onion. Got some red onion. So in our mirepoix, we got 2 parts onion, 1 part celery, and 1 part green bell pepper. We don't want to caramelize the mirepoix, we want it to just break a little bit to release the water. We don't want to cook the ham all the way neither because we want it to finish cooking in the pot. We just want to get the flavors to start forming in the red beans for our red beans. Just going to turn the heat down a little bit. As you can see, some of the onions are already starting to glisten and look a little bit opaque. Turn that heat down to low and let it cook down. Put the cover on it. We'll be good to go. Well, during the break, I put my sausage in with the mirepoix and I put the red beans in, but before I put the red beans in, I went and I had a double strainer. So I strained the liquid of red beans and cleaned it. Anything in there that may have been in the water that we didn't want, we strained out. Put the red beans back in, strained the liquid again, put the liquid back in for the flavor. So now we're got our mirepoix mixed with our red beans and our sausage and our ham, and everything is going to simmer in the pot. And it should be ready in a few hours while the beans cook and the sausage will cook the rest of the way, and it'll be good. So we'll be back in a little bit. Oh, look at the red beans and rice cooking now. Piece of sausage, look how good that looks. It's getting close to being ready, ladies and gentlemen. Don't you want some? So our red beans and rice is finished. We've got our red beans in the sauce. We got some sausage in there. We're about to put some rice. scoops of rice. A couple squirts of Tabasco sauce. And we taste. Oh boy, it's good. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the best red beans and rice I've cooked yet. I hope you enjoyed today's video. We're going to sit down and eat some lunch. Boy, it's good. Hope y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching.